Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple gift card is redeemed to your Apple ID, check wallet, or App Store balance now. Once done, make sure your Apple ID country matches the Netflix region you intend to pay for, because Apple billing enforces region rules. Next, verify that your Netflix subscription allows Apple billing or that you will subscribe through the App Store. Otherwise, you must change how you sign up. This first step prevents surprises and saves time during the billing change. Now sign into Netflix on your iPhone or iPad and choose to manage payment via the App Store. Tap Account, then change payment method, and select Apple ID or iTunes billing as your payer. This routes charges to your Apple balance. Once you select it, confirm the exact subscription tier and price so you know how much will be deducted each month. If you're switching from another payment method, the system prorates or schedules the change, so watch the dates and amounts carefully. Finish by confirming the first Netflix charge posts to your Apple purchase history. This can take up to 24 hours. If the charge fails, immediately check that your Apple balance covers the subscription, that your Apple ID country matches Netflix, and that any required fallback payment method is valid. If you see a balance yet Netflix still won't accept Apple billing, sign out and back into both apps, then contact Apple support. They can resolve billing, routing, and verify why the charge did not go through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.